Hi guys, happy Saturday. Just wanted to bring something to you guys' attention. Um, there is a lot to be grateful for. Let me tell you that. Yesterday I had a NDO. People call it NDO. It's a near-death experience. It was a bit crazy. Um, yeah, it was a stupid mistake. It was almost head-on collision with the vehicle, so an accident. Um, if it was a split second later, I would have been, you know, not here any longer or in a serious condition. Anyway, I just wanted to touch on that because life is so short, things happen so quickly. I just realized after that happened yesterday that, there's a lot to be grateful for. There's a lot that I want, but basically, I'm very close to having everything I need. If that makes sense. So it was just a reminder, keep your head down, but also don't be greedy, and be grateful. Yeah, guys, that is all. I just wanted to highlight that, and maybe if someone needed to hear this today, you're doing your best. Keep doing your best. You are just where you in the right place at the right time at the moment. You know what I mean? If you resonate with this. Anyway, cheers. Big ups. Have a good